by my suitcase, trying to find a warm place to spend the night. Yeah, baby. And a heavy rain falling, seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. A rainy night in Georgia.
I found a nice shallow bay. Wind's blowing in here. It's a bit muddy. It's a bit shallow, and I've just got a bite, haven't I, Rolly? Let's see what it is. They're really shallow here. Really shallow. Oh my god. Right up against the beach. There's one. Awesome, eh, Rolly? There's another bite. Oh, he's off. Oh. As soon as he felt me tighten up, he let go. Oh, he's back. He's back. There we go. What is this? I'm just casting across this shallow bay here. Oh, it's another beautiful walleye. Oh, look at that. Isn't that cool, roll off? He's got a bit of a bite out of him. Watch your mouth, Rolly, because I don't want to jig in you. Come on, let's get this on the stringer. Because that's perfect, isn't it? There's another bite, same spot. Right in that little muddy bay bit. There we go. We've got another one, Rolly. Feels a bit smaller. Yeah, this is just a little one. But they're in there thick, eh, Rolly? They're in there thick, Pud. Well, so far this has been insane. It's a bite a cast. I got another one on. Feels a little bit little again. But it's another fishy. A bite a cast, I'll take it. Awesome.
A rainy night in Georgia. Said a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, it's just raining all over the world, baby. That's the way I feel tonight. It's raining all over the world. Look at him. Neon sign of flashing, taxi cabs and buses passing through the night. Oh Lord. And a distant moaning of the train seems to play a sad refrain to the night. Oh, that's lonesome. But this rainy night in Georgia, it's a rainy night in Georgia. Oh, it's raining. Raining all over the world. I feel that it's raining all over the world. How many times I wondered, but it still come out the same. And no matter how you look at it or think of it, just got to do your own thing. Oh yeah. I'll find me a place in a boxcar, and then I'm gonna take out my guitar just to pass some time. Are you with that, mama? Then listen to this. When it gets late at night and it's hard to rest, I'll hold your picture to my chest, and I'm gonna feel fine. Yeah, baby. This rainy night in Georgia, oh yeah, such a rainy night in Georgia. Oh, Lord have mercy, it's raining. Raining all over the world. Yes, it is. I know it's raining.